When you're considering lake communities in the Phoenix area, sooner or later you'll end up looking at waterfront property in Gilbert. When it comes to the variety of waterfront or lake communities, Gilbert stands out more than any other city. That's also the reason why you need to understand which community best fits your lifestyle. That's what we're going to be looking at today, helping you make the right decision. Gilbert has 7 lake communities: Crystal Point, Playa del Rey Estates, Val Vista Lakes, the Islands, Stonebridge Lakes and Manor, Windrift, and Lago Estancia. Let's see if we can identify the best Gilbert Lake community. One of the most important reasons buyers are drawn to waterfront homes is simply the view. They really don't want a block wall or neighbors behind them. And if they come from anywhere that has water, well, it makes them feel more at home. With that in mind, we have to consider Val Vista Lakes and the Islands. Val Vista Lakes has 3 lakes with a combined 76 acres of water, and many enjoy 150 feet or more of distance to the opposite side. And if you get lucky, some lots enjoy more than a 180-degree view of the lake. Val Vista Lakes has gated and non-gated subdivisions, and everyone in Val Vista Lakes gets to enjoy the clubhouse, community pools, and tennis courts. Val Vista Lakes has the most community amenities of any Gilbert Lake community. The Islands, which is west of Val Vista Lakes, also has 3 separate lakes with a combined 74 acres of water. Waterways are typically 100 feet across or more. The Islands, like Val Vista Lakes, has waterfront lots at the end of the cul-de-sac, providing expanded views of the water. The Islands has a variety of waterfront property, including luxury homes, smaller single-family homes, and townhouses situated on the lake. The Islands also offers residents a large park with a community center, playground, walking paths, and basketball courts. Another reason buyers are attracted to lake communities is the opportunity to take advantage of the lake activities allowed by the CC&Rs. For example, some lakes like Lago Estancia are best categorized as, let's say, water view, where boating is not allowed because they are not true waterfront, or the length of the lake does not encourage boating. Other lake communities allow pontoon boats, kayaks, and canoes, such as Val Vista Lakes, the Islands, Windrift, and Stonebridge Lakes and Manor. And if lake activities are really important, check with the HOA and consult the CC&Rs. Surprisingly, Gilbert has 2 lake communities that allow boats with internal combustion engines specifically for water skiing. One is a slalom water ski lake, Crystal Point, which is the most expensive lake community in Gilbert, both in the terms of price of the homes and monthly HOA fee. This is a small gated community with a total of 20 lots with boathouses. The other is Playa del Rey Estates, that allows the widest variety of lake activities, from paddle boards, wakeboards, jet skis, water skis, canoes, and kayaks. There are 34 waterfront lots, some with boathouses or ramps. However, all Playa del Rey residents have access to the lake via a community boat ramp. Check out this video for more information on Playa del Rey Estates. As you can see, there's a wide variety of lake communities. Gilbert offers homes that you could say are water view, then true waterfront that allow some form of boating, to the very specialized lakes that allow water skiing. So which lake community is the best? Now the answer you're not going to like. It depends. Obviously, price will be important. After that, views and the activities allowed on the lake will be the tipping point in determining which of the 7 Gilbert lake communities is best for you. I'd like to hear your opinion. For more information on many of these lakes, check out the more videos in the description below. Thank you.